So guys, this pond that I've never been to. Welcome to Charlie Pond Park. Let's have a look around. Oh my god, it's so scary. I I fear places like this. Okay, I don't know. Is it this way or that way? Okay, let's take this route. See where it takes us. Okay. I think we can go this other way. See where it takes us. Where is it taking us to? Alright, let's have a look. It looks good. I mean, the nature. Oh, but it's quite dark in here. I hope it's safe. So, I don't know if this is the pond, the famous Charlie Pond, or maybe there's some. Maybe there's a. Okay. Okay. Well, I think this is the pond. Let's see. There's some little water there. Well, from outside, I thought like it's a huge water body. Oh my god, it's just bits of water. Okay, let's move. Maybe there's something bigger in front of us. Let's keep going. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there is a pond. Yes, it is definitely a pond. Okay, look at this. So this is Charlie Pond. Wow, wow. Okay, yeah, no, this makes sense. Oh, there's a wonderful breeze around here. Okay, there's no one around. I'm just alone with some birds and trees and water. Oh my god, look at that view. Breathtaking, right? Okay. Okay. Oh, there's something in the water. Oh, something just jumped in the water, and I think it's a mouse. I thought it's fish, but it's not. Oh my god. I hear things screeching in the bushes, and I'm like, oh. Am I safe? Am I really safe here? Am I safe here? Okay, let's see what's down there. Okay, so there's this little pathway here. I don't know what people do around here. I don't know, what do people do with the pond? Is it like a fishing place? I can see some birds enjoying themselves there. I can't see any fish around here. It's just birds on the water. That's all. Wow. Wow, look at those birds. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, now for the birds. Let's see what's on this other side. Okay, now this is scarier. This is more scary. Okay, there's just some solar thing there. I don't know what that is. Honestly, I don't know what this is. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh, at least people pass by now. So I'm not all alone in this bush. Okay, I'm just going back now. Wow. After the tall trees, it's just water body. So that's the Charlie Pond. And that's it. I'm going back home now. Thank you. Bye.